How to use Grab Paylater Malaysia. So if you want to use Grab Paylater Malaysia, then first you need to open up your Grab application. Once you're here, now what you need to do is you just need to select your country or your region. So make sure you have selected the Malaysia, and once you've selected the location, now you just need to go for payment, which is on the bottom middle on the home page, and there you need to activate your GrabPay wallet. So first tap on activate and activate your GrabPay wallet, and once you've activated, you need to enter your full name and your passport details or KYC details to activate that. So first activate your wallet, and once you've activated your wallet, you just need to add your card, and once you've added your card, you can choose pay later on GrabPay. You have two options for paying later. The first one is to pay in 4 monthly installments. This allows you to split your bill into 4 equal payments, making it more manageable. And the second one is pay the next month. With this option, you can delay your payment until the following month. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.